Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to design this mockup with Pixellab. We don't need this. I'm going to delete it. Now let me give it a white background. I click on good. Right now what I need now is an object. I need an object. Let me give it a color, black color. Click on good. Now let me resize it. Let me resize it. I think it's okay like this, right? Let me zoom it. Alright. Now I need another object, which is going to be a circle. I'm resizing it. Let me give it a color black. What I need to do now, I want this circle to give me a border radius here. Let me zoom it. I want this circle to give me a border radius here. It's okay like this. Now what I will do now is that I have to merge two of them. I click on merge. Okay. The next thing that I will do now is that I have to copy it. I copied it. I have to move to rotate. Now I have to rotate this to 90 degree. I rotate it to 90 degree. Now I have to copy it again. I bring it over here. I have to rotate this one also. Let me rotate this one. This one is going to be minus 90 degree. Let me duplicate this one. I copied it, I bring it over here. Now I have to rotate it. I move to rotate. Let me rotate it the other side, minus 180 degree. Need to bring it down with the help of position. With the help of position, I'm bringing it down. Okay. Let me bring this one down. With the help of position, I'm bringing it down. Okay. Let me bring this one inside. Let me move this one inside. I move this one inside. Let me move this one inside also. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, I think it's okay like this. All right. Now the next thing we're going to do now, we need to merge the four of them. Now we have merged four of them. We have merged four of them. We need another object so that we're going to cover the center. Let's give it a color black. Now let's merge two of them. Click on merge. You merge two of them. Now we have one object right now. We are almost done. The next thing that we're going to do right now is that we need another object, which is circle. We need circle. Let's give it a color. Let me give it a green color so that it's going to differentiate. All right, what I will do here is that I need to duplicate this circular object. I duplicate it. I have to duplicate it again. First of all, let me bring this one inside more. I have to copy it again. I bring it here. Okay, let me use a relative position to make sure that it's at the center. Relative position to make sure that it's at the center. Okay. Let me move this one backward. Now I have to copy this one again. I bring it here. What we'll do now is that we need to merge 4 of them. I'm sorry, we need to merge 4 of them. I've merged 4 of them. Okay, now let's move to relative position to make sure that it's at the center. Let's move to relative position to make sure that it's at the center. Let's move to relative position to make sure that it's at the center. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Alright, it's okay like this. Let me lock this one so that it's not going to be moving around whenever I touch the screen. We need another object which is going to be a star. Let's give it a color, black color. Let me zoom it so that I will resize it very well. With the help of relative position, let me make sure that it's at the center. I think it's okay like this. The next thing that we need now is that we need a text. We need a text. Now click on good. Let's give it a color, black color. Click on good. Right now, let's change the font. I'm going to use this font. You can use any font you want. Let me resize it very well. Right now, let me move to stroke. I need to give it stroke. I enable the stroke. The stroke color is going to be black, but let me give it white color so that I will know the width. 60 is good. When you are done, you put it back in black. Right now, let's move to color. Let me give it color white. Good. Right now, the next thing that we do here is that we need another text. This text is going to be DG. Let me zoom it so that I can resize it very well. Let me change the font. Okay, this is good. Let me change the color. I give it black color. I click on good. Let me resize it. Very good, perfect. Now this one, we need to rotate it. Let me move this one backward. This one we need to rotate it. This is good. Okay, we are almost done. Let's remove the green color. You move to erase color, you enable it, you select the green one, you click on good, you click on good also. Right now, what we need to do now is that we need to duplicate Divine Graphics. Click on copy, you duplicate it, you move to layer. We are going to merge these two. you click on merge, you merge the two. Now this one, we move this one downward. This one, first of all, let's remove the stroke. We remove the stroke. We're going to add some texture. Let's apply this texture. Okay, let's use relative position so that it's going to align on top of it. Okay, right now we need the background. Let's use this as a background. Make sure that it covers the whole place. Let me use a relative position so that it's going to be at the center. Alright, from the layer, let me move it downward and lock it so it's not going to be moving around. Alright, this one, let me add texture on it. Let me add texture on it. Okay, let me add this texture. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, right now what we need now is that we select this one, you move to shadow, inner shadow, you enable it. Let's reduce this to 6. Okay, this one, let's make it 9. I think 9 is good. When you're done, you click on good. Divine graphics, let's give it shadow also. You move to shadow, you enable it, you enable glow. Let's make this place 6. Let's give this place 6. Let's increase the glow. How does it look? Okay. Okay. I think it's good. We're done. Now the final thing to do here is that 3D test. You enable 3D test. You reduce this to 1. You click on go. You select the object at the back. Let's apply some 3D effect on it. You click on oblique. You reduce it to 1. You click on good. When you are done, you save your image. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscription button.